Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to remove the bulletin points on your WPS Office Writer mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to remove the points on your WPS Office Writer mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, just going to click here and just want to remove the bulleting points here in the points. So you just need to click on this, just select it all. So in WPS Office Writer, you just need to remove the bulleting points. You just need to click on this icon. So now select the every point and click on this icon. Just scroll down. You will see an option of bulleting, changing the bulleting points, and here you will see an option here. This is the removing the bulleting points. So otherwise you just can click on this three dot. You will see in the bullet section you will have a last option which actually remove the bulleting points or delete the bulleting points from the points that you have been selected. So this is how you just remove the bulleting points on your WPS Office Writer mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.